Looking for a smart way to multiply your sales by 110%? Say goodbye to the conventional advertisement and switch to a smarter way: 2D animated explainer videos to promote your product or service. It will not only save you from draining tons of dollars on the conventional advertisement of your business, but also help you reach a wider audience and keep their attention glued to your product for a longer time. We deliver quality service at an affordable cost and save you a lot of your hard-earned bucks. All we want you to do is jot down the details of your product or service and drop us. Working on them, we designed the purposeful and engaging 2D animated video with the help of our expert graphic designers, which will not only help you reach a wider audience, but also convince them to prefer your product over others. We also offer script writing, background music, professional voiceover, and free revisions. So, why wait? Come on board with us and take your business to the next level.